trying to give them?
Chloe is feeding the goats.
Here you go. Oh, they got my finger, did it?
Dude.
You want me to do it? Okay. You want to feed some?
Hey, Chloe.
Yeah, I'm going to hold it. I'll hold it for you. Here you go. Here you go, goat. Here you go, goat. You dropping it. They can't get no it. Oh, they're licking it all, Daddy. Yeah. Eat that one. There we go. Oh, Daddy, they ate it all. You gonna get some more and feed them? You probably get off the floor. There you go.
Watch it, you get the whole bucket to him.
You can't throw it on the floor. They can't get it. Yeah, give it to them. Hey, you wasting all that food we bought. Yeah. Here we go. Get those to the goat. There you go, goat. Yeah, you're not even doing it right. Here. What are you doing on the other side? You don't want to lick it? Oh, they ate us.
They get
ate
you.
us.
Did they get you?
You want mommy now?
Here, Daddy.
I'll pick you up and do it. Get the apple. Mmm, good apple, Daddy. Here you go. Here one day stepped on. Here you go, dear. They stepped on this apple. Give him another apple. Here we go.
Uh-oh.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they're good apples. Want to give him another apple? Here we go. There you go, dear. You dropped it. Okay.